Email tutorial: how to send an email for beginners. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an email if you're a beginner. It's super simple, so I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your email app on your phone and go to your email provider's website on your computer. Simply log in with your account if you're not already signed in. Now let's move to the next step. Look for the compose or new email button, as you can see here. Now click on that to start writing your email. Now we're ready to fill in the details. In the to field, type the email address of the person you're sending the email to. Make sure it's typed correctly. Now let's move on to the next part. In the subject field, type the subject of your email. This is a brief of summary what your email is about, so keep it short and clear. For example, meeting reminder, or something like question about your service. Now let's move on to the body of the email. In the large text box below the subject line, type the message you want to send. This is the main part of the email where you write your thoughts, questions, or request. For example, hi, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to check in about, or simply take your time to write the message. Now, if you need to add any files like a document or photo, click on the attachment icon. It looks like a paperclip. Now select the file from your phone or computer and it will attach to the email. You can also simply paste photos, files. You can also simply click video or photo from your camera. Also, you can have access to the drive. Now, after you've done that and your email is ready, let's send it. Simply click on the paperclip icon, side icon, that is send button. And that's it, you've successfully sent an email. Sending an email is super easy once you get the hang of it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and comment.